For me? Thank you, baby. Ang galing yan, ma. Okay. 560 kilo.
Thank you. Yes.
Teddy bear. Wow! May pag-ready.
Thank you, Mama.
For me, Andre. This is for you.
Hindi. Sa'yo yan.
Ay, that's for mine.
Ito kay Dre.
At okay?
Kay Dre yan eh.
Ay, this is for you. Mama gave this for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Wow. And this is for me.
Inside.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Chocolate.
See, Mama loves
My
you.
first Valentine's Day. Oh, man. Now is a party.
Thank you, Mama.
It's a party.
I love you.
love
Mama, I love you.
I gotta keep.
The next day.
Kalana.
Ano yan? Sana all. Ano? Ay, ulam. Sarap. Dahil February 14 nga ngayon, ito yung araw na first time namin magse-celebrate ng Valentine's Day ni Daddy D. Wala akong maisip na regalo kaya lulutuan ko na lang siya ng garlic seafood. Kaya naman, diretso kami sa palengke. Ay, naku. Baby! Ay!
Let's go. Let's go.
$560 kilo. Maybe just one is enough, maybe. Okay po.
But personally, I will cook it for you and invite you guys in the house to eat because yesterday I cooked fufu and fufu and okra. I have
Habang namamalengke nga kami ni Daddy D, may nakilala kaming missionary African woman. Oras na to, malakas pa nga ang ulan kaya hindi kami makauwi agad ni Daddy D. Kaya naisipan namin na pumasok muna sa mall para tingnan kung anong pwedeng bilhin na regalo para kay Mama. Pero kahit nasa mall na kami, wala pa rin kaming nakita kaya nagdesisyon na lang kami na umuwi na lang. Malungkot nga dito si Daddy D dahil nga wala nga kaming nabiling regalo para kay Mama. Pero buti na lang naalala namin na may malapit palang bilihan, malapit sa may amin. Magkano yung sunflower?
Why don't you focus on not letting those slide?
Pauwi na nga kami sa mga oras na to. Pero patuloy pa rin ang pag-ulan. Kaya naman, nag-decide na lang kami na mag-tricycle. Hindi naman malayo ang bahay namin dito. Pero dahil sa marami kaming bitbit, kailangan namin pumara ng tricycle.
A few moments later.
So, thank you. Yes!
From Janet, happy Valentine's.
Grabe!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much, baby. Ayan, kay Dre yan.
Thank you, Dre!
Thank you. You're welcome, Mama.
Ayaw umuwi hanggat walang nabibili para sa'yo.
Ay, talaga?
Oo. Sabi niya, ikaw nakabili ka na, ako hindi pa.
Wow!
Baby, how was it? How was it?
Always good. Whenever you cook, always good.
Thank you. Almost finished.